Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, as you know that last time we have started our chapter number 9 from page number 124, and we have done our question number 1 with formulas, and we also learned how to derive the formulas. First two formulas, that was a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. I hope all of you have remembered that formulas, learned that formulas. And today we are starting from question number 2. As you know that last time we have done the formulas and you have learned them. Okay, so in this question number 2, you have to simplify into that formula. For question number 1 we have opened the formula, and in question number 2 we will disclose the formula. We will close this formula like this. If in question number 1 we have to convert into this form, and for question number 2 this form is given and we have to taken that, and in question number 2 we will convert, this form is given and we have to take it back into this form. For example, 36x square 24xy plus 4y square. Now tell me, 36 is which square is makes the, which digit makes the square 36? The square of 2 is 4, the square of 3 is 9, the square of 4 is 16, the square of 5 is 25, the square of 6 is 36, the square of 6 is 36, and x square, you can write it as 6x whole square. Now come to the last one digit. 4 is which square, which digit, which square makes it 4? 2 square. So you can write 4 as 2 and y and the whole square. The power of y is also at the outer side, and the 2 is 2 square is from 4. And here the thing that you have to write 2 from formula, here is the sign of plus, and here will also become positive sign. Six x square, and here will become the 2 from the formula, and here we will write it as, you can write over here as in with your lead pencil as a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square is made and b square is also produced, so you have to write here 2. What's the value of a? 6x is the value of a. And what's the value of b? This is the value of b, that is 2y. So see, 2 6 are 12, 12 2s are 24. Isn't these two terms same? Yes, these two terms are same. So 6x square is derived from 36x square, and from 4y square we have converted into 2y whole square, and now we converted it as, we write it over here as 2xy, 2ab. For the value of a, this is our a, this is our b square, and this is 2ab. Clear? This is a square, this is b square, and this is 2ab. So if a square plus 2ab and b square is given, so what formula will it become? It will become a plus b whole square. So what's the value of a? This is the value of a, that is 6x plus, if the sign is positive with 2, the formula will become positive, and if it is the sign of minus, then here will also become the sign of minus. A plus b, what's the value of b? That is 2y and the whole square. This is the answer, how it is simplified. Now come for the question number 3. You can simplify the other questions in the same way. For question number 3, you have to evaluate the following expression. After solving question number 2, you have to solve the question number 3. Evaluate the following expression using the formula. You have to solve this expression using the formula. To solve this question, we have to put after solving this question, after converting that into the formula, you have to do the thing. You have to write 4 at place A, and where it is B, you have to write over there 3. The first thing that you have to do here, the statement is written. So what will you do? First thing that you have to do, 16a square, which digit make that square of 16? 4a square, this is the square of 16, and for 9 it will be written as 3b square. So for the formula, 2ab will be written over here. What's the value of a and what's the value of b over here? The value of a is 4a. Here may be x, y and whatever, but the first term is a and the last term is b. This is a square and this is b square, whatever the variable is over here. 4a is the like a, 3b is in the place of b. Now a square plus 2ab plus b square is completed now. So we can write it as, we can close it in the form of 4a plus 3b. As you know that this is a, this is b, and this is 2ab. So the formula of a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this inner term is a. So a plus b whole square is completed over here. So what was the given over here? We have to write the value of a 4 and b 3. This is the 4 that is given, and what will we write over here over the place of 4? 4. This 4 that is given plus 3 is this, and what we have to write in place of b? We have to write 3 in place of b and the whole square. 4 4s are, it is 16, plus 3 3s are, this is 9, and the whole square again. 16 plus 9, it is 25 square. So what will be the answer? 25. You can also open it. The square of 25 is